Hello students, today we are discuss new chapter, learn about a new chapter, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid means H2SO4. H2SO4. Sulfuric acid means H2SO4. Now the sulfuric acid structure. Now sulfur, which having atomic number 16 and its electronic configuration 2, 8, 6. 6 is a valence electron. Then this is the structure of sulfuric acid, and there are two OH group present. Therefore it is a dibasic acid. This is an example of dibasic acid. Now its molecular weight in sulfuric acid containing hydrogen 1, sulfur 32, oxygen 16 atomic mass. There are total 2 hydrogen, 1 into 2 plus 32, and there are total 4 oxygen, 16 4 ja 64. The molecular weight of sulfuric acid is 98. Molecular weight of sulfuric acid 98. It is a dibasic acid. Now physical properties of sulfuric acid. It is a colorless. Its color means it is a colorless. Second order, it is a odorless. And taste, it is a acid, therefore it is a slightly sour in taste. Nature, it is a liquid in form, but it is a dense, oily, hygroscopic liquid. It is a hygroscopic liquid, oily, dense, hygroscopic liquid. It absorbs moisture. Therefore it should be kept in a stopper bottle. Therefore it is kept in a stopper bottle or in a stopper polythene bottle or polythene can. Hygroscopic nature means it absorb or it is a absorb moisture or water. It is a dehydrating agent. It is also used as a dehydrating agent. Now density. The density of pure acid is a 1.85 gram per cc, and it is its boiling point. The boiling point of sulfuric acid, it is a greater than 100. The boiling point of sulfuric acid is 338 degrees Celsius. Therefore it is a non-volatile acid. It is a non-volatile acid. Sulfuric acid, it is a non-volatile acid. Next point, solubility. It is a strong acid. It is a completely soluble or ionized in water. It is a completely soluble, all proportion in water. Therefore it is a act as a good conductor when diluted. It is a good conductor of electricity when diluted. But pure acid containing, it is almost non-conductor of electricity. Clear? Pure acid, it is a non-conductor of electricity. But when it is a diluted acid, then it is a good conductor of electricity. Sulfuric acid, it is a hygroscopic nature and it is a highly corrosive in nature. Therefore it charges the skin black. Therefore we use sulfuric acid in the proper way. When we touch the sulfuric acid, then it may be skin burn. So it's important to use carefully sulfuric acid. Chemical properties of sulfuric acid. It depends on acid is diluted or concentrate. Now poor sulfuric acid, it is an acid or it does not ionize. Suppose when it dissolve in water, suppose sulfuric acid, it dissolve in water, it is just two stages. It produce H3O plus ion, hydronium ion, and another HSO4 minus, HSO4 minus ion. In second stage, HSO4 minus, HSO4 minus ion again react with water. It produce again H3O plus ion, hydronium ion, and SO4 minus 2 ion. Therefore, it is a two stage. First, in this reaction, students, first formation of H3O plus ion and HSO4 minus ion. Then HSO4 minus ion plus water, it produce H3O plus hydronium ion with SO4 minus 2 ion. Therefore, it is a ionized in two stages. Therefore, it is a dibasic in nature, dibasic acid in nature. When sulfuric acid react with metal, suppose metal like magnesium, it react with sulfuric acid. Then formation of hydrogen gas. It is an important reaction. Magnesium react with sulfuric acid, it is a formation of hydrogen gas. We already know it form magnesium sulfate and formation of or liberation of hydrogen gas. When sulfuric acid react with metal, then it form hydrogen gas and salt. Now second example, when we use zinc, when we use it as zinc, then when zinc react with sulfuric acid, it also produce hydrogen gas and zinc sulfate. It produce zinc sulfate and liberation or evolution of hydrogen gas. Same another, when we use Fe, iron react with sulfuric acid. Iron react with sulfuric acid. It produce iron sulfate, or it is also known as a ferrous sulfate, and liberation of hydrogen gas. So students, metal react with sulfuric acid, it react with sulfuric acid, then it produce hydrogen gas. But in case of platinum or gold, it is a noble metal, it do not react with sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid do not react with noble metal like gold and platinum. Clear students? Next, suppose sulfuric acid react with neutralized bases, means it oxide or it may be hydroxide, then it react with sulfuric acid, it forms salt plus water. It forms salt plus water. Suppose example, when sodium hydroxide react with sulfuric acid, its temperature below 200 degrees Celsius, it produce sodium hydrogen sulfate plus water. It gives sodium hydrogen sulfate plus water. Sodium hydrogen sulfate, it is a salt and formation of water. So with reaction, NaOH plus sulfuric acid, it form NaHSO4. Suppose in water, OH and H, removal of water, it forms sodium hydrogen sulfate. It is a salt plus water. Sodium hydroxide, it is a base. This base react with acid. This is a neutralization reaction when acid react with base to form salt plus water. Next, when we use 2 times NaOH plus H2SO4, then we get sodium sulfate as a salt and water as a byproduct. This is sodium hydroxide base react with acid, sulfuric acid, to give salt plus water. Then sodium hydroxide, we get sodium hydroxide react with sulfuric acid, we get sodium sulfate. Now third reaction, copper oxide react with sulfuric acid, copper oxide react with sulfuric acid, then we get copper sulfate plus water. The copper sulfate as a salt, we get copper sulfate plus water. This is another reaction. Same kind of another reaction, ferric oxide react with sulfuric acid, it gives ferrous sulfate as a salt plus water. Students, when sulfuric acid react with carbonate, bicarbonate, when sulfuric acid react with carbonate like zinc carbonate, bicarbonate means sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate, then react with sulfuric acid, it formation of carbon dioxide. When zinc carbonate react with sulfuric acid, in this reaction, suppose zinc attach with SO4, means formation of zinc sulfate. Now in this reaction, hydrogen combine with oxygen, then formation of water, and in this also having carbon, and there are two oxygen, there is the formation of carbon dioxide. In this reaction, this is a formation of carbon dioxide. When zinc carbonate react with sulfuric acid, then we get the salt like zinc sulfate and carbon dioxide evolve. When sodium bicarbonate react with sulfuric acid, in this sodium 2 times attach with SO4, then formation of sodium sulfate, and there are total 2 hydrogen with 1 oxygen, then formation of 2 times water, and formation of carbon dioxide as a 2 times, means evolution of carbon dioxide or a formation of carbon dioxide. In this reaction, there are total number of hydrogen 4 with 2 oxygen, means it gives 2 times water and formation of carbon dioxide. In this reaction, same kind of another reaction, when we use potassium bicarbonate, then in case of sodium replaced by potassium, then we get potassium sulfate plus 2 times water and 2 times carbon dioxide. Same kind of reaction both are. Look in this reaction, students. Zinc carbonate react with sulfuric acid, it gives zinc sulfate plus water plus carbon dioxide. When we use sodium bicarbonate as a 2 times react with sulfuric acid, it gives sodium sulfate plus 2 times water and 2 times carbon dioxide. Same kind of potassium bicarbonate react with sulfuric acid, it gives potassium sulfate plus water 2 times and 2 times carbon dioxide. Next reaction, students, when sulfuric acid react with metal sulfide, in metal sulfide reaction with having sodium sulfide, ferrous sulfide, zinc sulfide as an example. When it react with sulfuric acid, sodium sulfide, ferrous sulfide, zinc sulfide, it is a evolution of hydrogen sulfide as a gas. Now students, sodium sulfide react with sulfuric acid. Sodium attached with SO4, it gives salt like NO2SO4, sodium sulfate, and it gives hydrogen sulfide. H2 attached with sulfur, it gives hydrogen sulfide. Another example, suppose in case of ferrous sulfide react with sulfuric acid. It is also obtained hydrogen sulfide, and Fe attached with SO4. It gives salt like ferrous sulfate and hydrogen sulfide. Another reaction. Same condition we also use as a zinc sulfide. In case of zinc sulfide, react with sulfuric acid. It give zinc sulfate and liberation of hydrogen gas. Evolution of hydrogen sulfide. Last, when sulfuric acid react with sodium sulfite, sodium bisulfite, then it evolves sulfur dioxide. This is an important reaction, students. Suppose NO2 SO3 react with sulfuric acid. In this reaction we get sodium sulfate plus water plus sulfur dioxide. It gives sulfur dioxide. This sodium react attached with SO4, hydrogen attached with oxygen, and one oxygen with two hydrogen, and remaining SO2 gas. In this reaction, formation of or evolution of sulfur dioxide gas. When we are using sodium bisulfite react with sulfuric acid, it also produce sulfur dioxide. Evolution of sulfur dioxide gas. Now we are using as a 2 times. Then sodium react attached with SO4, formation of sodium sulfate and water as a 2 times, and SO2 gas as a 2 times. So we discuss when sodium bisulfite or sulfite of sodium sulfite react with sulfuric acid, in this evolve of sulfur dioxide.